Hi everyone. So today we have great set. It's PS970 mini disc mask and D400 mini disc, 3 mini disc actually a changer with equalizer, okay? I'm selling this as a set. One thing I don't like that the player itself is in gloss black color and the changer is a bit gray or gray matte, I don't know. So you decide you like it or not, or you can change the color for yourself, okay? So to open it I have to use screwdriver because it's emergency opener. When this radio will be fitted in your car, it will opens automatically with ignition, okay? So it's very simple, should be enough. Yep. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, let's try the mini disc now. You can change the equalizer graphics. Okay, so let's see the menu. Also, you can change some colors here. First, let's see how it looks in the dark, okay? Okay, now we can change the color to red. All lights working fine. Okay, so it's time to test the changer now. Ah, sorry. Okay, now it's playing from changer. Works just fine. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until. Okay, so both of them are in perfect condition. Just this trim is resprayed and one holder is broken, but radio itself and changer is in perfect condition, and sound quality is amazing. I'm gonna ask a lot for this set. So be prepared, okay? There is eject button. Here it is. Okay guys, so thumbs up